In this section of the video, we will guide you through the process of registering a new cash account on the eShop. You can register as a new customer as follows. Visit the Afrox eShop and click on Sign In, Register, New User and click on Register. Click on Open a new Afrox account under New to Afrox. Now you can choose to either open an Afrox cash account or credit account. From here, you can choose whether it's a personal or business account. You'll need to complete the personal details and address details. Mandatory fields are marked with an asterisk. You can also choose whether or not to receive monthly emails from Afrox or remind me to order emails from Afrox. Add your desired username and password for your online account and ensure to select the appropriate direct marketing preferences. Accept the terms and conditions before clicking the Open Afrox Account button. You will be presented with a confirmation screen. You will receive a confirmation email with important information about your account application, followed by an email notification once the account is approved. You can click on Go to My Account to start shopping online with Afrox eShop.